us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
कि इसमें से शायद रिंग मिलेगी, शायद मुझे याद है ये हेयर बैंड है इसका शायद.
It's a ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
I don't recognize it.
Neither do I.
कि यहाँ से हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगी शायद है. मैं भाई एकदम पिछली बार जैसे नहीं करूँ जिसमें मैंने कॉलिन को ड्रिंक नहीं दी थी, उस चक्कर में शायद तो बड़ा डिसीजन हो सकता है.
So surreal.
इसको समझ पूरा पढ़ के करूँगा इस बार.
What do you want to do next?
We still have some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
देखते हैं यहाँ से चालू करते हैं. कुछ है यहाँ. अरे अरे वो क्या पड़ा है?
Nobody there.
पत्थर है वो. मेरे को लगा लाश वाश सी है किसी की. बसाएंगे सकता है क्या है? क्या पड़ा है? क्या ऐसी टांग दिखा रहे? क्या दिखाना क्या चाहते हैं गेम वाले? चलो भैया आगे.
Blood. Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour maybe. Fabric.
कपड़ा.
Looks like jeans.
Okay,
Doesn't
jeans.
tell me much.
ट्रैश कैन.
There's
पर्स.
some loose trash.
उसका पर्स है.
Surprised the garbage men can even find their way here.
Okay.
Blood. Still red. Sharp enough.
इससे काटा है क्या? अच्छा शक कर रहा है तुम पे?
What are you doing?
शक.
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up.
ये
We don't have much time.
ये क्या देख रहा है भाई नीचे मेरे?
We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Big P, do you have any idea what's going on? How did this happen? Why her?
This is a message.
हो सकता है.
A message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that?
Whoever did this isn't exactly hiding it. The placement of the head, it's exact, purposeful. She was placed here precisely for us to find. All of us.
Well, yes. I guess you're right.
डिटेक्टिव है.
Wanted us to know what they had done.
मेरी छोरी इनने रगरीज नहीं करे कोई है क्या? चलो भाई.
I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be worse if he finds that we held it from him. I know you don't like him, but he's our boss. This is part of the job.
We should wait
तो
until
guys
we have more
अभी
to tell him. Right now, all we know is a girl is dead. Telling Crane doesn't change that. I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
That sounds reasonable, but I don't know. I'll think about it.
I just don't want him interfering.
okay.
Crane's not what's important right now.
guys
We need to figure out who this
काफी
girl
सीरियस
was
हो
so
गया
we
ये
can
अब
find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
okay चलो भैया चलो एक ही तो पप्पी मिली है पप्पी मोड़ा दिया पप्पी को अब चलो भैया
What are you, blind?
ले क्या रे तेरे को
What, you don't see there's a line?
हाँ नहीं दिख रही बोल क्या कर लेगा
Here a half hour already.
तेरी गुद्दी
Just
तोड़ दूंगा
walk
मैं
in? Must be nice being the
तेरी
sheriff.
तो
Do whatever the fuck you like.
Yeah.
I know. I'm taking cuts.
yeah
Is that supposed to be funny?
yeah फनी होने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ
You
बोल
see anyone here laughing? Sheriff?
कहा था बेटा वो शरीफ हूँ मैं
Fucker.
ओए 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 साला तेरी गुद्दी तोड़ दूंगा मैं अगली बार तेरी
Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
It isn't anyone's fault. Instead of trying to assign blame,
Yeah.
maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
yeah
Oh, is that how you see things? Sheriff, you
Hey.
are the one charged with protecting the citizens of
काय का
Fabletown.
डिप्यूटी में
Your
है
failure to do so cost someone their life and the
अबे
safety of the
गंजेड़े
entire
इतना
community.
मारूंगा ना तेरी नाक पे
Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
Bluebeard came to mind. It's his MO. It's shaky, but
Don't be absurd. Bluebeard is out of the country as we
Yeah.
speak. So don't
मैं किसी
think
पे नाम
about
नहीं लगा
accusing
सकता
him of such a treacherous
मुझे थोड़ी पता
affair.
है
If all you're operating off of is ancient history, we're all in much more trouble than I imagined. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow,
yes, sir,
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase?
Eh.
Don't bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff.
कर दूंगा
Or we'll find someone who can.
गाइड ना दो डिप्टी मिनिस्टर है वो
You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, I guess I should have listened to you and waited.
Wasn't gonna say I told you so.
You don't have to say it. It would have been better to have more to offer. Get our ducks in a row.
बस सिगरेट फूकनी तेरे को बस
Oh,
मालूम
Crane
नहीं है
doesn't like
स्मोकिंग
smoking.
स्मोकिंग इज इंजurious to health
Never mind. Smoke away.
Wine to a massage?
Probably a gift.
अबे मैंने तो
The weird part of that is that he's actually being nice to someone. I know I bought that damn bottle.
वो देखो चोर चोर
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
अरे चोर बस कर रख पड़
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then
Wow.
don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe.
Maybe तेरी तो बेशरम बंदर ये चिड़िया ये क्या
How
है
are
ये?
you today, Mr. Bigby?
भाई मैं तो ठीक
Fine, Buffkin. Thanks for asking.
हूँ वाह
Befkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe
आवाज
the
इतनी हो रही है यार एक तो आपको
I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything.
चलो भैया
Hello,
टाइम पास
Vivian?
शुरू करें अरे ये
Hi,
क्या है
this is Snow
अरे रे
White.
मैं 3 इच्छा मांगूंगा मेरी पहली इच्छा है मेरे को बहुत पैसा चाहिए
Try.
क्या अब कुछ भी नहीं हुआ
No, we got your invoice. Yes.
ठीक है मिरर
Squared away.
मैजिक मिरर
Hey, Magic Mirror. I got a question. You know the rule.
क्या
I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history and rules.
Mirror, mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
वो
See, was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
I don't know
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do,
Okay.
I can't
Now.
help you.
Woodsman
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
No shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can
भाई
be
काम
seen.
किस चीज का तू
Show me Snow White.
ये ट्रेन खड़ी है ना
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
बस करवा रहा
Show
उससे
me Buffkin.
अबे
Hey,
ओ
put down the bottle and get to work.
Still looking.
बिगड़ा चलो भाई कुछ फायदा
Nobody
नहीं
right
है
now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
मुकागी ओ बांदर गिर यार ओ जी बांदर गिर यार
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up. Okay. Thank you.
लाइट आ गई एक्चुअली चलो भाई बहुत मिरर से पंगे ले लिए चलो रे भैया चलो रे भैया चलो रे भैया तो घूम में राउंड थोड़ा ओके They see me rolling I heard them
Strength. I guess it comes in all forms.
चलो भैया सीधा उनके पास चलते हैं
We'll start with these. Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books.
I think her name was Red. She didn't make it out. Red Riding Hood's knight in shabby armor.
The woodsman?
Yep, and his axe. And there's me. Not a good day.
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
Yeah, dwarves. Less said about that, the better.
अबे ये मैं मतलब अरे ये क्या बात हो रही
Nice
है
hat. Haven't seen Badger around for a while.
He likes his privacy, I think.
Wish Toad would like his a bit more. Ichabod Crane. Scared shitless.
What's that?
Your boss. His finest moment. Hard to understand how he ended up running this place.
Well, maybe it's time that changed.
Colin and his brothers. Jeez. Beauty and the Beast. I've seen this before. This symbol on the man's clothes, it's the same as the rings.
Could be her father or husband. This has most of the emblems of the old days and usually what family they come from. If it's in here, we'll have her name.
Okay. Back out, back out. यार बुक यार ये क्या कर रहा है ये मतलब दिमाग खराब कर रहा है मेरा ये खोलना बुक यार
Great. What? I can't read any of this shit. I can help.
कर रहा है बंदर बंदर
Yeah, thanks. We look out for each other. Don't overdo it. Translate. An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall. Mr. Toad? He probably wrote this in himself.
ये रीडिंग वाओ
This is the one. Where is this symbol from? Which family or story? That's an odd one. Family name? Alairao? I'll go look it up.
Alalaira. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey skin.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin, also known as ass skin. Go by the name Faith. Poetic.
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was
क्या हुआ
his daughter,
ओए
Faith. She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak. Knew her true beauty, and they lived happily ever after.
ये
Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please.
ओ
What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
लॉरेंस
We got what we came for.
Yeah.
Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than we...
Name was Faith.
Yeah.
You should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
For this sort of thing, it's usually the person who knew them best.
Or it's someone completely random.
सस्पेक्ट हो सकता है यार मार सकता है भरोसा नहीं है पारिवारिक झगड़ा हुआ हो पैसों के पीछे कुछ भी चलो अभी मिरर के पास चलते पहले मिरर 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 हमको चाहिए मिस क्या नाम है उसका नाम बोलिए चलो भैया मिरर मिरर मिरर
Mirror, mirror, blah,
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 blah.
blah, blah, blah about this fable.
कुछ भी बोलेगा चलता है
Which fable do you wish
अच्छा
to
देखो
know?
कुछ भी वो चलता है वाह Faith's father
Show me Faith's father, the old king.
मर गया भाई ये तो
Guess that crosses him off the suspect list.
Faith
Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
अबे ये भी तो वही बोलता था
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing it. It's simply the way this has to be.
Okay. Prince
He's a prince, I
Lawrence.
think. Show me Prince Lawrence.
अरे रे 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 कटा
What's he been doing?
इसने तो नहीं मारा था।
Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on, we're going over there.
ओके चलो।
Sorry, I have to get that.
तो जल्दी करिए मैडम। जाने का
Hello,
टाइम है।
Woodlands Business Office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby,
ओह
it's for you.
हमारा होता है यार। हेलो
Bigby,
Wait.
it's me, Tom.
ओह भैया
You there?
What do you want?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke
Wait,
upstairs
who
going
else
through
is
all
there, man?
Watchman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... wait, hang on.
अबे तोड़ दिया। अबे क्या हो रहा है ये धुड़ुक धुड़ुक हो रही।
Shit. Hey!
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toast.
अबे समथिंग हो नहीं रहा है, कुछ तोड़ा फोड़ा तोड़ा जो
I
रही
don't
है।
know. I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her
चलो
apartment.
भैया अपार्टमेंट।
Toad might have to wait.
Whenever you're ready.
तो गाइस ओफ तो हम लोग जाएंगे इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए अगले एपिसोड में। और अगले एपिसोड में मैं पक्का भैया कोशिश करूँगा आगे तक जाने की। और अगले एपिसोड में हम मतलब आग लगा देंगे। तो मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ अगले वीडियो में। और तब तक के लिए बाय बाय। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, बेल आइकन को दबाएं